Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the richness of the English language one word at a time. I'm Alex, and I'm thrilled you're here today. Our word of the day is brave, an adjective that means being courageous or fearless. This is a B1 level word, so it's perfect for intermediate English learners who want to expand their vocabulary. To be brave means to show strength in the face of fear or difficulty. For example, someone who speaks up for what they believe in, even when it's hard, is showing bravery. Imagine a person climbing a high mountain despite being scared of heights. That's a brave act. There are several synonyms for brave that you can use in different contexts. Words like courageous, valiant, and bold all carry similar meanings. For example, she made a courageous decision to start her own business, or the firefighter was valiant in rescuing the family from the fire. Another one is bold, as in he made a bold move by switching careers. Each of these words brings its own nuance, but conveys the idea of facing challenges with confidence. On the flip side, let's talk about antonyms. Words like cowardly, timid, or fearful express the opposite of being brave. For example, he was too cowardly to admit his mistake, or she felt too timid to speak up in the meeting. These words show hesitance or avoidance, contrasting with the confident attitude of someone who is brave. In everyday life, we use brave in many ways. You might say, "It was so brave of her to perform on stage for the first time," or "You're so brave to try skydiving." It can also describe small acts of courage, like helping a friend through a tough time or trying something new and challenging. Let's look at a few more examples of brave in sentences. The dog was brave enough to protect its owner from danger. He gave a brave speech at the rally, standing up for what he believed in. Sometimes, the brave thing to do is to simply be honest about how you feel. And that wraps up our exploration of the word brave. We learned its meaning, looked at synonyms and antonyms, and explored how to use it in daily life. Thank you so much for listening today. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps more people discover Hello Word. And here's a challenge for you. Create your own sentence using the word brave and share it in the comments. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.